Hello my friends, and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. So on today's video we have the lovely folks over at Opove have sent me this red light therapy belt, and I've actually never heard of one of these before, so I had to do a little bit of research and actually read their booklet there. So the red light therapy is something that uses red and near infrared light therapy. And red and near red infrared light therapy can help with energy production in our cells, can help with increased energy, enhance fat loss, and it can help with muscle recovery, just to name a few. So I've been working out and running a lot lately, so this can probably help me out. So if you guys can like, comment, and subscribe, that would be great. So I'm just getting the belt unboxed and showing you guys some of the accessories, and then we'll go over some of the benefits. And then I'll take it out and test it out and see if I noticed anything. So what's cool about this belt is that you can hook it up to a standard wall outlet and also a USB port, which is great because I have a recliner chair that actually has a USB port built in, and that allows me to connect my belt when I'm sitting at home watching TV. It also comes with this measuring tape, so you can measure like your arm or stomach and actually see if it's made a difference or not. And I gotta say, the packaging is great. The unit feels amazing. It's really good. It does not feel cheap at all. Just like all the other products Opove makes, quality is of the highest standard. As you can look really close, this kind of belt, you can tell there's the stitching looks really good. It's not going to break anytime soon. Really well made. Okay, so now we're just going to plug it into a standard wall outlet, and we'll go over some of the controls. So this controller has a timer of 5 minutes all the way to 30 minutes. Has red light energy modes, L0 through 4. It's got a 10 Hertz pulse flicker that you just saw there, and an LED mode with wavelengths of 660 nanometers and 850 nanometers for the invisible near infrared wavelength. So I'm just going through some of the settings a couple different times just so you can see how it operates, how you have the pulse flicker and also standard lights, your LED modes, and then finally we'll just click on the timer so you can see that function as well. So it looks like they don't recommend going over 30 minutes, so that's about the most time you would have the belt on, and it does get a little bit warm when it's on. So some of the benefits will be increased energy, enhanced fat loss, enhanced muscle recovery, decreased inflammation and joint pain, increased collagen production, faster wound healing, and improved sleep.
Okay, we made it here. Sunset, top of the mountain. We here. We gotta work out. I'm feeling tired. Let's get back home and try on that Opove LED belt. Need to work on my gut and some legs.
Alright, now that I got my workout in, I came home and plugged in my LED belt to the recliner chair that I have. This is where I usually will relax and watch a little TV. So now I can just go ahead and put the belt right on. It's upside down, but it's perfectly fine. And just have that sitting on for about 20-30 minutes. And after I'm done with the stomach, I like to move to my calves. This is my main concern that I always have. I always have calf pain. The massage gun helps out a lot. So I'm very excited to see if this can reduce some of my pain in my legs. And I'm not sure if it's placebo or not, but it did help, I'd say about 15%. Leaving this on for about 20 minutes. It also gave me nice warmth that comes from the lights as well. And after a long workout, I just felt a little bit better in my legs. And like I said, I'm willing to try anything at this point. Okay, so next up, you can go ahead and even put these around your arms. Sometimes I do get a little numbness in my arms, so when that happens, I'll put this belt on and we'll see if that helps out as well, especially if you're lifting weights. So all in all, I like the LED belt. I'll be testing it out a lot further. This is something I'll be playing with for a couple weeks to see if it definitely helps. So with that said, I'm going to end the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.